What if I told you that your Android phone can become a portable cybersecurity workstation? No, it won't magically hack into anything, but with the right open source tools from GitHub, it can perform security testing, network analysis, and penetration testing in environments where you have permission. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful Android hacking tools that ethical hackers and cybersecurity professionals use to turn their phones into portable security labs. Remember, these tools are for authorized security testing and learning only. First up is Termux. If you've ever wanted a Linux terminal on your Android phone, Termux is the place to start. It's an open-source terminal emulator that lets you install hundreds of command line tools, write Python scripts, manage SSH connections, and even automate tasks. Many ethical hackers use Termux as the foundation for their mobile cybersecurity setup because it's lightweight, flexible, and actively maintained by the community. Next is Kali NetHunter. This is the official mobile platform from the Kali Linux project. NetHunter brings many penetration testing capabilities to supported Android devices, including access to Kali tools in a mobile environment. Depending on your device and configuration, some advanced features may require root access. Security professionals use NetHunter to perform authorized wireless assessments, network analysis, and other penetration testing tasks during security engagements. At number 3 is Mobile Security Framework, better known as MobSF. MobSF is one of the most popular open-source tools for mobile application security testing. Instead of targeting devices, it helps security researchers analyze Android applications for common vulnerabilities, insecure permissions, exposed secrets, and other security issues. Developers also use it to improve the security of their own apps before releasing them to users. Number 4 is JADX. Reverse engineering is an important part of application security, and JADX is one of the most widely used open-source tools for analyzing Android applications. It converts APK files into readable Java source code, making it easier for researchers to inspect how an application works, identify insecure coding practices, and understand application behavior during authorized security assessments. Coming in at number 5 is APK Tool. APK Tool allows researchers to decode and rebuild Android application packages. Developers and security testers use it to inspect application resources, configuration files, and Android manifests during security reviews. It's commonly used for learning how applications are structured and identifying potential security weaknesses that developers can fix. At number 6 is Frida. Frida is an advanced dynamic instrumentation toolkit used by security researchers to observe how applications behave while they're running. Instead of only looking at code, Frida helps analysts understand how apps interact with the operating system, detect insecure functions, and validate security controls during authorized testing. It's widely used in professional mobile application security assessments. Finally, we have Objection. Built on top of Frida, Objection provides a user-friendly command interface for mobile application security testing. It simplifies many common assessment tasks, making it easier for security professionals to inspect application behavior during authorized engagements. It's a valuable learning tool for anyone interested in mobile application security. The most important thing to remember is that these projects are designed for ethical hacking, cybersecurity education, application security research, and authorized penetration testing. They are not meant for attacking systems without permission. Always get written authorization before testing any device, network, or application that you don't own. If you're serious about learning cybersecurity, start by mastering Linux commands in Termux, practice mobile app analysis with MobSF and JADX, and study how professional security researchers use these tools responsibly. Building your skills legally and ethically will take you much further than looking for shortcuts. If you enjoyed this video and want more content on ethical hacking, GitHub tools, Android security, and cybersecurity tutorials, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who's interested in learning cybersecurity the right way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.